brass disc, put it inside this holder, this one inside there, use some coins. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 coins. 1 penetrates. That leaves us with 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, another one drops out. The last one is the hardest one to do. Take this one, place it in the pocket, it's going to shoot up this sleeve, across there, and come to there.